Well, let's see, what have we done this week? Oh boy, see, come here for last week or this week, we redo the flower beds. Oh, crazy dog, go in the house to play. Anyway, so we're cleaning flower beds, put mulch down, clean the pool out, filling it up with water. And today, I think it's Thursday, Thursday, today's Thursday. My day is getting confused now being out for work. Her sled driving me. Oh, I also touch-up paint in the house yesterday. Fun. Today we're pressure washing, and maybe y'all will like the video, I don't know. Let's see what y'all think about it when we get done. Looking good. Me and Sloan's pressure washing the house today. Believe it or not, that was nasty. I wish I got a video of how it looked before we pressure wash, or before I pressure wash this side. That was corroded. What's that? Tell him hey, Reggie. Tell him hey. Oh, you gonna jump for him? You gonna say hey to him, boss patches? You are. Evelyn asleep, huh? I'll show you the back of the house. I don't know if you should be able to see how nasty it is. Oh yeah. You ain't get my phone. You should be able to see this right here. I'll try to zoom in a little closer. All that green right there. I didn't get to wash it last year because of that country right there. And everything gets green. We cleaned the pool out day for yesterday or so. Start filling it up. Got a little bit more water add to it. You just start pumping. Got to buy a new skimmer. The other one's broke. You got all that stuff out. Maybe you can hear me over this, but we're using a, I don't know how you say that, a Robbie. Yeah, Roby. Premium electric pressure washer. High pressure, no soap. Abrasive, yeah, low pressure soap. Right, it's 2,000 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Pressure technology premium electric pressure washer. Ordered that from a friend of mine. Go ahead, Sloan. We're getting a bunch of this pollen off of the truck. As long as we can see pretty good and have a nice clean ride. We're finished getting the house. About half of the house for us to do. He's done a good job on the truck. Look at that. Look at that. Looking good. Well, hose pipe. Take it back. Shut up, dog. Take it back an extra for it. And it kept blowing here. I had them replace it 4 or 5 times. Pop it back in there. The screws are broken. Fix up to cut it. And replace it with this bad boy right here. Put those 2 clamps on there. Maybe I can show you. Just me out here trying to film all this. Stop it, dog. Let's see. Take the second part. Take that metal sleeve or brass sleeve. Push it on. Oh man, almost messed up. Gotta have my clamp. Then I put it back on there. There we go. Clamp here. If you got a socket to fit that, that's good. You can stretch it down on your screwdriver, flathead. Put it on there. Get it. Flathead, almost too big for that. Sucker don't want to go. I'm gonna tighten this up, and we'll be back in a little bit. I'll be back in a little bit. You'll be back in just a second. Now I got another leak. Sucker busted again. Hose pipe just busted straight down through there. Oh, that thing just busted. Back to the drawing board again. I love you, doggy. I love you. Yeah, shut up. Whew, looking good, looking good. Man. I didn't get to clean the house last year, but I'm doing it this year, and I'm paying for it. This part of the house doesn't get any sun in the winter or summertime, so it's extra nasty. As soon as I get it all done, I'll give you a look at the back side of here, and then we'll wrap this video up. Oh boy, look at all that. All that green is gone now. I just got the back of the house left right there, and that'll be it. Hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Crazy dog. Oh, I wish it could be more like Patches here. Nice, calm, and innocent. But anyway, thank you for watching my videos. I hope this gives you something to ponder, laugh on, maybe learn something if you didn't know it already. In this pandemic we got going on. Yeah, oh, look how nasty that is. Yeah. You see how nasty it is, you can see where I've already got how nice and clean it is. Door is going to have to be replaced.